Reclaim your landscape and tear through any site work with the Blue Diamond Heavy Duty Excavator Drum Mulcher. Choose from 30, 40, or 50-inch cutting widths, depending on your needs. This mulcher can cut up to 5-inch material and is best suited for 4 to 10-ton class machines with auxiliary hydraulic flows of 11 to 35 gallons per minute. Centralized hydraulic ports and greasing points make maintenance straightforward and fast. The inner frame liner is replaceable to extend the life of the mulcher. Blue Diamond offers genuine replacement parts, including counterblades and teeth. We've made our drum mulchers from high-strength steel with engineered reinforcements to withstand decades of use. Exposed parts like skid shoes, teeth, and counterblades are made of wear-resistant steel, so you can have confidence and power through tough environments. The Blue Diamond Heavy Duty Drum Mulcher is designed to operate at peak performance. The heavy-duty model is equipped with a manual gate that you can manipulate to control the finish you need. By opening the gate, you can get into larger material and open the flow of material. With the gate closed, the material will engage with the teeth more and create a cleaner finish. Further adjustments are possible with a movable input counterblade that can define the size of the output material. Our drum rotor uses a helix design with a staggered tooth pattern to condense the inertia into each tooth as it engages with the material. Bite limiters help minimize jamming and keep the rotor balanced, so your rotor and machine will have the minimum wear from vibrations. These features work together so you can get work done faster, more efficiently, and with minimal downtime. Aggressive and durable, the Blue Diamond Heavy Duty Excavator Drum Mulcher.